Hey guys, it's Miss Ricciardi. Just giving you some basic instruction on how to use iMovie. This is the first in a series of little instructional videos I'm going to make for you. What I want to do today is actually start with the basics of what you guys need to know how to do to just get your project started. So when you open iMovie, you want to click on File, New Project. When you click New Project, you're going to be given the option to choose certain formatting that's already done for you. I'd like you to make sure you choose None. Name your project up here. You can call it something like Webquest, okay? And then you click Create. I've already created a file, so I'm just going to click Cancel, but you should click Create. Before you even get started, you want to make sure that you and your partner have chosen all the photos and pictures that you want to include in your promotional video. Anytime you choose a picture file to use, you must put the website that you got it from on a Word document and label it accordingly so you know which picture it belongs to, because you are going to need to put all of that information at the end of your video. So again, we're always creating our citations as we go. You don't want to have to go back, find all these pictures again, and do it at the end. As you save them to your iPhoto, a file that you make in iPhoto, so that they're all grouped together. I've created my project. As you can see here, I've called it Webquest Instructional. This box up here is where you're going to be manipulating the promotional video that you're making. Down here are my photos that I want to use. I've just clicked on this camera right here in order to get my photos, and then I use this scroll to scroll down to the photos that I want to use. So when you are ready to start creating your video, you just drag and drop the pictures that you want to use in your video into the top left screen, and then your videos will be there. If you ever want to see what your video looks like, you just drag your cursor over the picture where you want it to start, and then you hit your space bar. When you hit your space bar, you'll see the red line as it moves through your video at what point it's in the video. If you want to rearrange any of your pictures, you simply click it until the yellow highlight comes around it. Then you click drag and drop, and you can rearrange your photos. This should be the beginning of the beginning of your project. These should be the first steps you take. Later on, I'll tell you more about transitions and music and effects.